that intro.
Hello friends, this is Dheeraj and you are watching your own channel Tectonic. So in this video I'm gonna unbox a VR which I have ordered from Amazon. So let's unbox it. Here it is, and its price is about 410 rupees without any delivery charge, as I was a Prime member of Amazon. So let's unbox it. I have already unboxed it earlier, so let's open it. So these are the airtight packets which Amazon has given to protect this VR. So let's open this VR. So we will open it at last, and let me show you these packets. These are large in number and they are looking endless now. Actually they are. So this really shows that Amazon has very high budget. So let me keep this aside and let me unbox this VR. This is the VR remote control, and there are some functions which are given in the manual. Let me take out this manual. It is somehow written in Chinese and I don't know to pronunciate and read Chinese. So okay, here it is written in English. It is also compatible with Apple iOS system. Okay. This is the remote control. Here are the batteries setup. So I have two batteries. Okay, it is done. So the remote is on, and okay, let me unbox this VR first. This is looking so premium, and I have just bought it for rupees 410. It is not looking for 410 rupees. Its packing is looking too high. So this is the manual of VR, and I don't used to read it. And this is the main content, that is VR box, and there's a cloth for cleaning the lens. Okay, so here is the main content VR. These are the buttons used to adjust the lens size, lens shape, and here we have to use to fix to our mobile. So this is a complete setup of VR, and definitely I will show you how to use this remote control with VR in my next video. And if you guys like this unboxing video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.